Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Annandale, Virginia. Now the homeowner has a leak in this area here. Now when I lifted up the shingles around the skylight, everything looked fine, but the only way I'm really going to know what's going on is I have to remove all the roof material completely around the skylight. Any flashing that's damaged is going to be repaired or replaced with new, and then we're going to fully adhere ice and water shield completely around the skylight, and then we'll re-shingle it. Now the leak is very likely coming from this vent pipe here, and you can see whoever did the repair work, all they did is just put caulk around the pipe flange, and all they're doing is just putting a problem on top of a problem. Also, there's two areas here where they had nail pops, so they just sealed the nails, with a cork. But eventually that cork's going to give way, and then the leak's going to come right back again. Now also they put caulk on the roof here too, but this pipe flange here makes me a little nervous too, because there very likely could have been a problem here as well, and they just sealed it. So what I would really recommend to stop this leak is, like I said, remove all the roofing material around the skylight, and then we're going to re-shingle it. Remove and replace these two pipe flanges, and then we're going to seal the flashing with ice and water shield, and then we'll re-shingle. And once I do that, then I will stop the leak. And also these two shingles where you had the nail pops, those are going to be removed and replaced. So I know the color of the roof, so we'll blend it in almost exactly. Again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair in Annandale and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.